Okay, so welcome to 6610 Tournament Drive in North Houston. In this video, I'm going to show you first the perspectives if you're coming back home to your furnished home, whether it's coming from work or wherever you're coming from. I want to give you that perspective. We got the double car garage. You can park in front of it. It has electric door openers for the garage door, as well as a nice fingerprint entry as you come into the space. You can also use your phone. This is the master bedroom with a nightstand, brand new queen size bed, brand new dresser and full size mirror. You also have two closets. That's closet number one. This is closet number two. It has double vanities. That's the water closet. And you see there's lots of room for all the things you want to bring with you. You got the stand-up shower plus a full-size tub. There's a linen closet to the left. We're going to go back out into the main hallway here, and then you'll see there's a powder room here. So you got your half bath, very convenient for your guests. And then let's go into the main hallway leading up to the kitchen. Now on the right there is your laundry room. We're going to continue on. Got a few new appliances we just installed, like we got the brand new toaster oven. We have a new Keurig coffee maker. It comes with a cooktop built in, as well as a built-in oven and microwave, along with the side-by-side refrigerator and a brand new dishwasher, along with nice, beautiful granite countertops. And of course, we want to welcome you. Welcome home. That's what that sign says there. That's a view of the formal dining room area as well as the living room. We're going to show you a little bit more of that in just a moment. But before we do that, let me just quickly show you the kitchen area. Brand new furniture there for your breakfast area there. That leads out into a patio too, by the way. Now let's move to the living room area. You got a 55-inch television, brand new, along with brand new furniture in the living room, nicely furnished. We also have a formal dining room here. And by the way, the 55-inch television, you actually hook up your phone, your Android, or your iPhone wirelessly to watch whatever you want to watch from your phone to the TV, as well as on demand, Hulu, Netflix, all that's available to have streaming onto the television. Now let's move into the office area. This has an electric stand-up desk, so that desk can go up or down, whether you want to sit down. There's going to be an office chair there where you can either sit down or stand up, and there's another 55-inch television in that office for your viewing pleasure. This is the front welcome area for your front door. There is the front bedroom. It's the second bedroom, all brand new queen size bed along with the nightstand. It will also have your adjoining closet there. Notice on the nightstand there's a USB connection. You can charge your phone directly from the nightstand. You also have the electric adjustable queen size bed. You can bring the bed up or down. The same goes for the master bedroom as well, for your convenience and for your comfort. Now that's of course the first full bath. Now we know you come here to work, so we want to make sure you're able to focus on work and not having to clean. So we actually have a cleaning person that will come in and clean twice a month for you while you're in the space. There is an option for weekly cleaning as well, just for a small additional charge. So we want to make sure this is easy for you as possible when you're staying here.